There's a little troubleshooting on one of our pieces of equipment, this forklift. It has two tilt cylinders. You can hear that little popping sound. Okay, so I've changed the seals in these tilt cylinders before, and it's been a while. This thing gets a lot of use, but what's happening, you can see the mass is going forward, and you have two tilts on here. Hear that pop? So probably what is happening is there's one of these cylinders, the piston seal is gone on it, and we're getting a bleed by, and because of the way it's set up here. There's more surface area on the bottom of the cylinder and less on the top, so these are tied in together. So if one of them has a bad piston seal, then it'll bleed by onto the other side. Okay, so these things are a real pain in the ass to get off, you know, to get them apart. Everything's all frozen up. I've done each of them before. But this one here, you can see it was a real problem. It's all beat up. I had to make a special jig just to get that head out of there. And I don't believe I changed the piston on this one because it was a pain in the ass. It was leaking out of here, so I just slid it over. I couldn't get this off because the pin's frozen down there. Now this is on our equipment, and you know how that goes when it's your stuff, it's always put off to the end. But I just wanted to show you what's going to have to happen here is we're going to have to, first one I'm going to go to is this one here, because I know I didn't change the piston seal. I just fixed the head. I didn't have a lot of time. Now I'm going to have to get it all apart, pull the whole thing out, and change that seal. You can see how the mass, it just continues to go. So that's an indication that it's the piston seals. One of them's gone. Stand by and I'll let you know when I find it.